Alright, y'all, so I've been searching, y'all, and I've been spending my own money, my own ducats, my own shillings, my own skrilla, and I think I've done, after some extensive testing, as you guys can see with all of the headphones that I got right up here on the desk, I feel like I found my favorite pair of gaming headphones, y'all. It's not the InZone H5, not the PlayStation Pulse Elite, not the Turtle Beach 700 Gen 2, not the SteelSeries Nova Pros, not the InZone H9, not the SteelSeries Nova 5Ps, not the Arctic Nova 5X, and it's not the Nova 7P. But out of all of the ones that I've tested, y'all, the ones that I like the most are these bad boys right here, y'all. Let's discuss. So these right here, man, are the Audeze Maxwells, man, and I've been using these for several freaking months now, y'all. And when I tell you these are the ones, man. So I first bought the Dezes, right? That's what I'm gonna call them in this video, because if you hear me saying that throughout the entirety of this video, now you know what I'm talking about, all right? Shout out to all of my people out there, man. If you are part of that Dezi squad, I see y'all out there picking them up, man. Again, I'll have a link for y'all down in the description section below after this video if you wanna check them out. Now, let me tell y'all why the Audezes here are the GOAT real quick, all right? Oh, and I gotta tell y'all also a little later in this video, I am gonna be giving away 6 pairs of these headphones right here, but there's gonna be more on that later in this video, so stick around for that. Now, the first thing to me that I always love to test out on a pair of gaming headphones, and that is the battery life, because to me, this is probably the second most important thing to me when it comes to a great pair of gaming headphones. Notice that I didn't say good. I said great, all right? Because, you know what I'm saying? There's different levels to this, all right? See, all of these over here, these right here, man, these are good, all right? These are good, but listen, look at that. They falling apart. Listen, they good, all right? But when we talking about greatness, we right here with the Dezes, all right? Now, the battery life on these right here, man, can last you up to 80+ hours of gameplay. And if you're wondering, yes, I did test this out week after week after week. And if you think I'm lying, check this out, all right? So every single Monday, every single Wednesday and Friday, man, I stream on the channel here for about 5+ hours per usual stream, usually to basically test this out. And now I went over like 3.5 weeks straight of just gaming on a single charge, man, which is just crazy to me. And I'll be honest with you, man, as much as I like some of these other gaming headphones that I just showed you guys here that's on the table, none of these can compare battery-wise to the Dezes, man, because mostly of these here, they're pretty much gonna last you about 40 hours of gameplay, which if I'm being honest, man, let's just be real, that's not bad either. 40 hours is great, but listen, man, we talking greatness, there's different levels, we talking 80+ hours here. It's different, all right? Understand what I'm saying? Now, the second thing that I tested as well is the standby battery time, because this is important, because if you spend all of your time charging it up, let's just say, you know, you don't use them for 3 to 4 or 5 days straight, and the battery just drains out, and then you're sitting there and you're like, well, damn, I just spent all of that time juicing them up, and then when I want to use them, ain't nothing there. So with these, man, with my testing, I didn't really notice any of the battery leak that you usually get on headphones, because each time that I would either boot up my PS5 or gaming on my PC, it just always worked and always had plenty of juice that was left on them. Now, I want you guys to preface that and keep in mind that I do power off my gaming headphones after each time that I play, so just keep that in mind, that helps too. All right, now the next thing I want to talk about with you guys when it comes to the Dezes here, and that is by far the most important thing when it comes to a pair of gaming headphones, and that is, if it ain't good, all right, if it's not good, if it's not 100% good, it is going back to the store for me, and that is comfortability. Now, I know y'all was probably thinking, yo, CKid, I thought you was gonna say sound quality. Don't trip. We're gonna get to that here in a second, all right? Because we definitely need to talk about that. And I got firsthand, man, a testimony from somebody from my live stream who was actually the first giveaway winner who we talked to about this experience, man. So I'm gonna share that here in this video too. But comfortability, all right? Let's talk about that, because, man, listen, these bad boys right here check so many boxes for me. Now, I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to you guys, all right? When I first got them, because of the high level build quality that you get in these, because again, these are all like a metal design, they did fit a bit on the heavier side for me. But when I noticed that on the inside here, you can actually change the level of the strap of how it's actually gonna fit on your head, trust me, y'all, it will lift a lot of that weight off of your head. So I highly recommend that you guys adjust the strap here to be able to pull a lot of that weight off of your head if you feel like it's a little bit heavier for you. Also, keep in mind that if you adjust these here, you also need to have a small screwdriver to be able to adjust them. So just make sure you keep that in mind. Now, I gotta be honest, I do wish they would have provided us with a small screwdriver in the packaging for us to be able to adjust the headband. But listen, I guess, you know, we can't get everything that we want. Once you guys get the fit set, man, you pretty much are gonna be good to go, and you're not gonna have to to touch it that often. But overall, like I said, man, when it comes to gaming on these bad boys right here for longer periods of time, my live streams like I've been doing, man, and shout out to my Discord crew, they can attest to this because they see me rocking these bad boys on stream every single week. And they really comfortable, y'all. Trust me, I'm not just saying it, all right? Now, one thing that I do want to try and test out is some of the Wicked cushions, because I have heard some positive things when it comes to the Wicked cushions. I've heard they are the GOAT of headphone ear cushions in general. So listen, Wicked cushions, if you out there, baby, you know what I'm saying? If you watching this video, then let's link up, man. Let's do something, all right? All right, no more waiting, man. Let's go ahead and just talk about it, all right? We got to talk about audio quality, because I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, CKid, all of the ones you just showed me, that audio quality is good too. But listen, ain't none of the audio quality like what I've heard on these bad boys right here, all right? Now, the first part about the audio quality that we gotta talk about, and that is just the main, just overall audio quality in itself, where the Dezies, I personally feel like they shine the most now. And I'm not just talking about the outer ones here, because, you know, that shines too, all right? But from the highs, y'all, from the mids, from the lows, especially the lows, y'all, whenever I'm playing games like Red Dead Redemption 2, which sounds ridiculously amazing on these, Alan Wake 2, Call of Duty, Horizon Zero Dawn, Last of Us, which, again, another fire game that sounds crazy on these, or whatever game that I feel like I'm playing on these, y'all, the audio just sounds rich, as well as it sounds crispy to me, especially whenever you are playing games that has like heavy dialogue in them, right? And trust me, y'all, I've tried a ton of different gaming headphones. As you guys can see, all of the crazy ones that I got right up here on the desk, all right? Maybe, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, the H9s that I got right here, the H9s is, they up there for me too. But, you know, when it compared to the Dezies, you know what I'm saying? There's leaps to this, all right? And if you don't believe me, you want to hear from somebody else, man, let me go ahead and have you guys listen to somebody who tried them for the first time, and I want y'all to just check out his honest reaction.
For those that don't know, man, Silent Night Stalker was the first winner of our giveaway. Actually, he was the first giveaway winner on the channel, bro. My question is what pair of gaming headphones did you have prior to getting the Audezies?
I actually haven't had a headset in 4 years.
Oh, wow. So you just been TV speakers, monitor speakers?
PS5 controller speaker.
Oh, no, bro. Listen.
I stopped doing headset after I didn't really need them, to be honest with you.
Silent Night. No, bro. Listen. PS5 controller speaker? No. I'm glad we upgraded you, bro. Have you had a chance to try it out yet?
Yes, I have tried it on Call of Duty, Fortnite, GTA.
Okay, when you was playing COD, because you know me, man, I'm a COD guy, all right? So when you was playing COD, well, COD audio is all jacked up right now, so it's kind of, that's a tough one to, that's a tough one to say. So what was your thoughts when you first put them on? Like, what was your experience from taking it out of the box, unboxing experience, from the beginning to putting them bad boys on? What was your experience like with them? For setting them up, connecting them, all of that? When
I first got them out of the box, tried them on, and they were actually really comfortable. Kind of surprised me a little bit.
Did you feel like they were a little bit on the heavy side, or no?
Yes, they were a little heavy, but I got used to it after a little.
So this is what has helped me. I haven't done them with these yet, but I am going to do it. I just haven't had the time to do it. But to adjust the head strap, they got 2 screws right here. You probably saw those already. So there's 2 screws that's right here. What I found out, if you adjust them and put them as the highest one on the top, it takes off a lot of that weight of the headset off of it. If you find that if you're wearing them for too long and you be like, man, they feel a little bit on the heavy side, that's a hack, because this strap will take a lot of that weight off of it for you.
I will definitely try that. The bigger thing with me about the headset was when I was playing GTA, flying by the cars, like actually on roads, you could actually hear when you passed it, and you could like feel like you saw the whiplash kind of.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Listen, man, I keep trying to put people on the Audezies, man. The Audezies are so dope. And the crazy thing about it, when I was actually doing the H9s. I was talking about the H9s, which you already know. I like the H9s. And I think I was also doing the comparison with the Elites, right? So everybody in the chat, and this is before I had even heard of Audeze. I'm just going to keep it all the way a being with you, bro. I had never heard of Audeze, nothing like that. And I was like, everybody in the chat was like, bro, you have to try Audeze's. They the GOATs. You got to try Audeze. And I just kept seeing it video after video, bro. And I was like, you know what? Everybody, I'm like, either people are lying or somebody's telling the truth. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to pick these bad boys up. I'm going to spend the money out of my own pocket, and I'm going to try them. And, bro, when I tried them, I was like, bro, these are fire. Even from the build quality. The build quality, there's nothing about them in my eyes. Again, I don't know how you feel about it. And again, speak your mind, bro. You can speak your mind. But like for me, I felt like the build quality, I was like, damn, they don't feel cheap. Because sometimes you can get a couple headphones or whatnot, and you'll notice like a lot of it is a lot of plastic, which these still have some elements of plastic on it too. But
yeah,
it's not a lot of
you
plastic.
can really feel how expensive they are.
Exactly. Yep, exactly. And that's what made me go, okay. Before I even put them on, I was like, all right, I feel the quality. Even taking it out of the box, the experience of holding them in my hands and going, okay, these bad boys feel premium. And so psychologically, even in your mind, you're going, before you even turn them on, you're like, I already know these are probably going to sound good just based off of the time they took on the quality. And so I'm glad you enjoying them, bro. So let me ask you this. You're not going to go back to your controller, man. I hope not, bro.
Probably not.
That's what I like to hear, man. Like, hey, man, drop a horn. Hey, drop a horn for my guy Silent Night, man. No more going back to the goddamn controller, all right?
Yeah. The funny part about winning the headset is that not even 24 hours before that, I bought the Pulse Elites.
Oh, hey, but Alicia, I hope you kept your receipt.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you won it. The fact that you was on, bro, controller speaker is crazy. That's crazy, man. But I'm just glad that you was able to get it, get upgraded a little bit. You know what I mean? Bro, I just appreciate your support. And we're going to go ahead and get into this, get into the next person, man, and hopefully we can bless somebody else.
Yep.
And keep it rolling, bro.
Let somebody else have Audeze too.
Now let's go ahead and talk about the microphone here. Now, I'll be honest with you guys right here. Now, I've only really used the microphone on these headphones here just for a few times because for me and my personal setup, I have the Shure SM7B for a microphone that's plugged into my Wave XLR. But the times that I did use the microphone on these headphones, everybody that I talked to about these headphones, man, the audio, they said sounded really good coming from me. They said there was no distortion and that they could pretty much hear me pretty clear. Now, speaking of microphones, one thing to me that I have to be honest with when it comes to the Audeze Maxwells, man, and that is side tone, all right? Now, I've tried it with pressing the buttons on the headset here as well as using the slider within the app. And side tone, I gotta keep it a beam with y'all, man. Side tone on these headphones, in my personal experience, was not the best for me. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But for me, I rarely use side tone because I don't really want to hear myself. But if you guys like that, then I would say these probably may not be for you when it comes to that area. And this is definitely something that I would want to see Audeze improve on when it comes to the Dezis themselves, all right? And speaking of the microphone, I love the fact that you do have the option to remove it. As you can see, with none of my pairs here, I don't have them actually connected up since I typically, again, use the Shure SMB within my setup for my microphone. So to me, that's a W because I feel like it keeps it a clean look and you don't get none of that in the way, all right? But the AI noise filtering too on it definitely gives you a clear voice whenever you guys are using it. All around, man, I feel like if you got these, you will not miss if you guys are wanting a great audio experience whenever you guys are gaming on either your OG PS5, your PS5 Slim, or even the PS5 Pro. I stand by these joints. They solid, y'all, all right? Now, real quick, man, some of the controls and features that I want to just kind of go over with you guys that are also solid as well, because here we have our AI noise button here that we can press this. We also have our audio jack here for the microphone. We also have our USB-C port for charging. We also got our aux port here for connecting up to your PS5 or your PC or even Xbox if you have it. You also got our chat mixer here, so if you guys want to hear more of your chat or if you want to hear more of the game, you can adjust this chat mixer here. And then we also have our volume rocker here. Now, one of the main things that I love about the controls on the headphones is the fact of it's only on one side of the headphones. Listen, y'all, I hate when headphones like these right here, I hate when they have controls on both sides. It just kills me. It's like, bro, I don't remember what's on the left side and I don't be remembering what's on the right side. So the fact that we got them all on just one side to me is the GOAT, man. And then also we have our power button here on the top, and then we also have our mute button here where we can just slide this up or down to be able to mute the headphones, which to me, goated, all right? But all in all, man, the Audeze Maxwells, to me, again, y'all, they are the GOAT of the gaming headphones to me, and I feel like it's really gonna be hard. Out of all of the headphones that I've tried, y'all, it's gonna be hard for anybody really to dethrone these for me, man. And the main reason that I bought these headphones here with my own money was because in my post-release video, let me get it, in my post-release video, as well as my H9 video and other just PlayStation related videos, y'all kept telling me, yo, bro, CKid, I need you to check out the Audeze Maxwells. And I was like, listen, man, they can't be better than my InZone H9s right here, man, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I still think that these are solid too. So I was like, all right, let me go ahead and pick these bad boys up. Let me shell out a few $100 for these, and then we're gonna check them out and see if the Dezis are good. Listen, y'all, when I say I haven't picked up the InZone H9s until this video right here. But hey, man, I gotta be real with y'all, man. Don't shoot the messenger, all right? It's just true. I'm just glad I did, man, because like y'all said, man, it is so damn good when it comes to these headphones right here, all right? And y'all know me, man. If I spend my own money on something, I'm gonna tell it like it is. And I mean, I do that regardless here on the channel, but you know, it hit a little different when, you know, that duck is coming out your own pockets, all right? So CKid, man, what's up with the giveaway, bro? What are we doing here, all right? And I mentioned this earlier in the video. All right, so I got y'all. Let's go ahead and break this whole giveaway thing down here real quick. So because of my live stream crew and y'all kept continuously asking about the headphones that I was wearing in my videos, right? I would literally be sitting on my stream, got the headphones on, and y'all kept asking every single stream, and I would just pull it up, and then I would just talk about them. So I decided to pull up and ask Audeze. I was like, listen, man, I got an audience of people. They rocking with your product. Let's do something dope. What can we do together? All right. So they was cool enough to hook me up with 6 pairs to be able to give away to 6 of you guys out there. And it's pretty simple to how you guys can get in to be able to win one of these. All right. Now, the first thing you guys got to do, you have to be subscribed to the channel. I mean, that's pretty much a given at this point. Also, you must be a member of the channel. I'm only giving these away to the squad, all right? You got to be C Squad. Now, in order to do that, all you got to do is click on that join button down below, as well as I'll have a direct link at the top of the description section, as well as the pinned comment for you guys to be able to pull up and join the squad and come a member of the C Squad in the channel, all right? And the last thing, all you guys got to do is just be present on my live streams happening Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then just from there, man, from the chat, I will pick a winner, and then it's going to get shipped out to you. Matter of fact, man, we literally just picked 2 winners and since November, and it's gonna be going all the way to the month of April in 2025. So technically, y'all, we got 4 pairs that's left to be able to give away, man, which, you know, you guys have heard from the first winner right here on the channel within this video. So if you guys are trying to be a part of the last 4 who can actually win a pair, all you guys got to do is make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, be a member of the channel, and pull up to the live streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday starting at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm telling y'all, it is a dope time, man. We'll be having some crazy fun up in there. But anyway, man, thanks to Wondershare again for sponsoring today's video. I have a link down there below for you guys to check them out as well. See you guys in the next one. Happy gaming, squad. We out. Oh, let me take the Dezis with me.